everyone, Brian Otani with Fresh Pacific, bringing you an exciting Week 18 California cherry update. The 2023 California cherry season has officially began. Warmerdam Packing started picking and packing Royal Tiogas for the domestic market today. Even though these cherries are for the domestic market, it is nice to finally see this delayed season starting. Volume will remain light for the next 2 to 3 weeks, so please bear with us and plan accordingly. Some growing regions have light rain in the forecast this week with temperatures dropping, but we're not too concerned right now, but it may slow down the maturation process. We are just happy to get this 2023 California cherry season started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.